As you have seen, we have dashboards which we can set up. They are basically based on the report chapters which you configure in the ADS. So if you go to the report chapters, and you can see we don't have here anyone right now. You can create a default which are available as well, or you can create custom where you say which perspective you are after, what kind of chapter it should be, so events, metrics, by priority type, and then you can say which priority should be on the report, which IPs, potentially filter data feed, and event type. So this way you can create this kind of, if you create just default chapters here, so we can say for the security issues, that's what we are after from all data feeds. Okay, so let's use default data feed, and it will create for us this chapters. We see all three, so by type, by priority, event metrics, and now we can use them. They are for that case, we can put them on the dashboard or in the reports. Also, what we are going to talk here now is event reporting by some custom action. So any event can be reported then by email, so as an email notification where you say again which perspective, activate it, where it should be sent, from whom, as which format. So you can choose HTML compact for ticketing system or email per event, and also defined which priority it should be reported this way. Then you can send everything by syslog message. So here you can use either Flowmon system syslog message, or you can use built-in UDP sender. Then you specify which target it should be sent, and again perspective and all these things. Same for SNMP messages. Again, you say which targets, where it should be sent, which perspective, and activate it. As another option, you are able to configure FPI traffic analysis, or trigger the capture. So you say how long it should capture, on which events, which perspective, and by which group. So you can activate that. The last thing are the custom scripts. First thing, when you want to do custom scripts, you need to upload it here, where you can see we uploaded, provided some parameters if you want as a default, and then you go here and say, okay, I'm curious about this one, where it should be sent, which Flowmon, and which script. So these parameters which we have seen in configuration are here, and again, what is the minimal priority to be reported. You can activate it, and who is the owner. So this way you can trigger specific actions on any device which supports some sort of integration